Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. So here's what the RBP grill looks like. Some love it. I am just not a fan of the bling bling chrome style. So here is my, it just happens to be cheaper grill, but it's just more subtle. It's I call relaxed intensity. So to take it off, you have to take off this little shroud. All that is you'll have a few of these little small clips. I just used a little panel clip remover, kind of grip this end, got it up enough, then I just take it off. So real simple to do. Now I just got to get these screws out. Those look like they are either 10s or 12s. I'm gonna get to that point. And right, it is a 10 mil. Important to put all your tools in a place where you can get them all. I'm just gonna put them right here so I don't forget where they are. Okay, got that. And let me see where the next piece is here. So you're gonna take out this piece here at 7 mil, and then after you take it out, you're gonna pull it out from both sides. So just like so. All right, so now you got that out. You're just gonna pull. Let's see if you can get this out. Very adept. You just pulled back up this way. All right, so you're just getting these clips off of here. Push these back. That's all. You just want to make sure these clips are off. So as long as they're off, you can pull like right here. These ones are good, but this one's not. It's stuck. What I might do is go to the other side and do it. So keep recording, and I will pull. This one's stuck here, isn't it? There you go. It's like a what? Hold on, you got one. This one's stuck here. Yeah.
I can pull it from down here while you
Go ahead.
need to.
Let me know when.
Videotaping and trying to do this is like a skill.
Yeah, it is, ain't it? Learn how those fairies. How important that is.
Gosh.
Should I pull back or wait for you just to pull down?
Ow. Pull back.
Like so?
Ow. Yeah.
Alright, you can stop. Alright, now we're gonna take out these 10s. There should be 4 of them. Now, I'm actually missing some. One there. Should be one right there. Another there. And another here. Okay, you got that there. Perfect. This goes up. You lift up like so. There's that. Lift up. I got one hand, so there we go. The whole thing comes out. And that's it, guys. That's the whole. Just put these back. This is a direct replacement to the grill. This thing is OEM. This thing is heavy. And I was gonna put this on it, but what I realized is This actually just goes with the OEM grill. This is a direct replacement, so it's even lighter. This will allow me with the extra space to be able to put a light bar back there, so it's gonna work out pretty well. YouTube, so change of plans. I put the old grill on and it was looking good and all. However, it was just kind of empty in the middle. I like this, the RVP design minus the RVP. So just gonna go ahead and resand it. The paint was peeling off. Take care of that. And I'm gonna fill this in with some body filler. So it's just a nice star and a cool line right here. And I'll put maybe a light bar somewhere. So we're doing that now. Or not Bondo, but body filler. For plastic, there's Bondo that's specifically made. That's too late for this, there's Bondo that's specifically made for plastic because plastic kind of bends and stuff. The area that I'm putting on, there isn't much bending. So I'm just gonna use this body filler. It's platinum. This is like the good stuff right here. You can get smaller amounts of it, but that's really good. But if you needed to, and you were using a big part, maybe you were filling up a plastic piece of a fender or something, or some part of your vehicle that was plastic, I would suggest getting something that's more specific to it. And you're gonna mix small amount of hardener. And when you're mixing it, make sure you're pressing. You're not just going in circles, because you need to press out all the air bubbles. Like you need to like press. So just remember that. The area that you're sanding, or you're going to sand, because it's going to dry out, and you want to be able to, of course, when you sand it off, layers will start coming off. So you don't want to do extra necessarily, but I'm going to go higher. So I'm looking at some of these indentations here, trying to fill them in so that I can, there we go. Basically, you just don't be greedy. You want to be, there we go. You don't want to be stingy. Do not be stingy. And if you can, get stuff off that you need to, so that you have less sanding to do, like so, like this. I'm gonna just gradually sand it down. Like this. So I'm just gonna sand it down gradually. Get this one done here. That should be good. I have to sand more than I want to, but see, it's hardening already as it is. So basically you want to get it as smooth as you can before it hardens, because that's just less sanding you have to do. Less sanding and butter. All right, that'll work. Sand that down. You may have to do 2 coats for 2 applications, but that'll be it. So there's some small pieces I want to do here. So for example, do you have any areas, back up please? It's already drying. Do you have any areas that, like this here was, had some areas that had like holes on them or something? I'll fill those in. Just a little bit. Just fill in the holes on right here. So that when I paint it, there's less for the primer to fill in. And this stuff seems minimal, but this is what makes a great paint job. And this is why you pay painters so much, because you see, well, it's just shiny, that's all you do. No, there's a lot of prep work that goes into making sure it looks good and it looks even and stuff, so that's all she wrote. Now you wait, 15-20 minutes, sometimes an hour for it to harden. And we'll be back. Bondo actually does work. I found out this is actually metal, but to make it easier, I'm just gonna use a grinder and cut off this star. So you need a marker that works. Okay. But that's what I'm gonna do. The edge. And yeah. So let's do it.